Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your OPPO F21 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Firefox browser. Right here, let's click on this app, and I have it already installed, so let's just uninstall it. Click on install. Now after a bit of waiting and the installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Now we can start customizing our app by changing your theme, so you can pick light, dark or set it automatic. Pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top. Change always on privacy settings from strict to standard or from standard to strict. Sync your Firefox browsers on other devices by signing up like this, or read the privacy notice. After all that, click on start browsing, and here your browser is ready. You can start using it. Let's visit Wikipedia, for example. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.